Hello, my name is Joe Brown, aka Black Feniks, the owner and founder of HogOn Welding LLC. Coming into 2021, I just came up with some new members only offers on YouTube. So for those who want to be more and up close and personal, ask more questions, form a great community with me, I'm trying to get that established. So I'm going to have 3 tiers available starting out. One tier is going to be for $2.99 a month. The second tier would be for $8.99 a month. And the third tier would be for $19.99 a month. And each tier is going to help you on specific needs. So for those who want to network with me, those who want to keep getting their hog on with me on a personal note, ask some questions, want to get started, want to start their business, want to get more consultations, want to be able to have one-on-ones. I'm trying to make that available. And as we know, it takes money to make money. So I'm trying to position myself where I can be able to spend more time with you and be able to give you what you need. And as you know, I'm building my independence with these shipping containers. So I want you to see what I'm doing. I want to make action speak louder than words. So if you want to follow me coming into 2021, you want to be a part of the movement, you want to subscribe, I really appreciate all those who have already gave donations, all those who have been sending prayers, sending money, helping out on things. So I most definitely salute those who have already been giving. But for those who want to give on a different scale, or those who just want to give monthly, just on a small base, just to help out what I'm doing, I really appreciate it. And I'm thankful for the opportunity to be able to present you with something like this, literally, honestly. So for those who want to be a part of it, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I want to say from here on out, before we even get into 2021, we're going to get our hog on. Black Feniks.